Welcome back to another exciting episode on Sham's Cookbook. Today I'll walk you through easy and simple steps to make the best chicken parmesan at home. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss my new videos. This is going to be so much fun. Let's dive right into the ingredients. 2 chicken breasts, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, pepper and salt as needed, 3 garlic cloves, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of panko crumbs, 2 whole eggs, 2 spoons of butter, 1 tomato, 1 cup of tomato puree, 5 slices of mozzarella cheese, basil leaf for garnish, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, pinch of thyme, pinch of oregano, 1 cup of olive oil. I will start with the sauce first. Fine chop the whole garlic. Fine cut 1 tomato. Turn on the stove and put it to medium. Put a pan and add 2 spoons of olive oil. Add a pinch of oregano once the oil is warm. Then add the chopped garlic and give it a little stir. Once the chopped garlic turns brown, add 1 cup of tomato puree. Mix it and cook it for 2 minutes. I am working hard on all my videos. Your like will be really appreciated. Time to add some salt and pepper and give it a quick stir. Now, let's add the fine chopped tomatoes and mix again. This is smelling good and looks done. Take the chicken breast and give it a butterfly cut. I will level the thick parts of the breast using a mallet. Add some salt and pepper. And give it a nice rub. Put the 2 whole eggs in a shallow bowl and whisk them properly. In a shallow plate, add 2 spoons of breadcrumbs, 1 spoon of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 spoon of panko crumbs, and a pinch of thyme. Mix all of them nicely. You will need the same amount of mix for the second chicken breast. Now, take the chicken breast and dredge it in all-purpose flour. Then, dip it well in the egg mix. Pat it well and dredge it in the breadcrumb mix. That looks good. Let's put this aside. Repeat the steps for the second chicken breast. In a non-stick pan, add 1/2 cup of olive oil. Once it's warm, let's add the chicken breast. Now, let's add 2 spoons of butter. Make sure the butter is spread on all sides. After 3 minutes of cooking on medium flame, flip the chicken breast to the other side. Now, cook it for 2 more minutes. Wow! That looks amazing! Let's put it in a serving plate. I like spaghetti, so I am making some for the side. That was really quick. Let me add it to the serving plate. Let's get to the mozzarella cheese topping. In a warm non-stick pan, put 5 slices of mozzarella cheese. Add some pepper and salt for taste. Wait till the cheese is cooked well. Give it a quick mix and that is ready to go. Add the tomato sauce on top of the chicken breast and some on the spaghetti. Now, let's add the cheese on top. Yummy! I love this! Let's add some basil leaves and there we go! This is looking really good. I am waiting to try this. It's spettacolare, deliciosi. Wait a minute, did I just speak Italian? Oh my god, I don't even know Italian? And right when I ate this, I spoke Italian. You guys have to try this. Trust me guys, this is amazing. Out of this world. I can't believe how tasty this is. Happy July 4th to all of you. Stay home and stay safe. Please try this at home and let me know how it turned out for you all. See you in my next video. Till then, happy cooking, happy learning, and happy eating to all of you. This is Champ, signing off. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments, please leave them below.